unlikely resource in what could be a long battle against COVID-19. It's a small family-owned business that is now making medical devices that we hear could keep patients alive even when ventilators are not available. Let's get the latest on this from our Robbie Owens this afternoon.
Well, Doug, extra supplies are arriving here daily, some even being flown in. So this staff can keep working hard, cranking out as many of these devices as they can, knowing that a life somewhere likely depends on what they're doing. With hospitals in hard-hit areas under siege, the availability of life-saving ventilators has been escalated to national crisis.
We are literally scouring the globe looking for medical supplies.
Now, a small family-owned business in Waxahachie wrapping up production of a device that doctors say can save lives.
It's incredible. We've been getting calls on top of calls 24 hours a day.
Christopher Austin is the owner of Sea Lung Medical Systems.
What we're trying to do is get the technicians and doctors and everybody else involved to have a one-stop shop. So what they need is just this one kit.
Once used to supply oxygen to patients receiving treatment in hyperbaric chambers, the device, now called the COVID-19 helmet, is both cost-efficient at a couple of $100s and easy to operate.
Anybody from a parking lot attendant, janitor on up can put this helmet on in less than 2 minutes.
He says suppliers and even strangers are stepping up to help his small staff keep cranking out the life-saving devices, as a haunting thought keeps them all awake and working hard.
But what if it's your son, daughter, mother, grandfather who's sitting on that table gasping for air, and somebody has to tell them, I'm sorry, we don't have enough of whatever it is to keep you alive. That's not going to happen. We can't let that happen.
Now, to give you some perspective, Doug, before this crisis, this company made about 40 to 50 a week. Now they've ramped up production to about 1,000, but emergency preparedness officials in hard-hit areas are telling them that 50,000 a week will be needed. And get this, they have not raised their prices. They're just working very, very hard. Live in Waxahachie, Robbie Owens, CBS 11 News.